While writing your presentee along with your name, please mention your standard also. Everyone, please put your presentee in the chat box, your name, your standard, and if possible, mention your location over there. Evelyn, please mention your standard, beta. Everyone others, बाकी के बच्चों ने भी प्रेजेंटी मार्क करना है. Like I have told you yesterday, see the icons that are given below. Click on the last one. जो second, जो three dots आपको दिख रहे हैं, उन पे click कीजिए. You will get some window, okay? जहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑप्शन होगा इन कॉल मैसेजेस, उस पर क्लिक करना है. देन फॉर सेंडिंग मैसेज, राइट योर नेम, then your standard and the location. Okay, please mention your standard, everyone. Class 4, Priyankshi. Okay, then so we are going to start with class 2nd. Okay, only Evelyn is there from 2nd class, so we are going to start now. Today is your maths lecture. See, we are going like I'll be teaching sometime for 2nd standard, then 3rd standard, and after that 4th standard. But every student had to attend the whole session. Okay, because due to pandemic, some the 2nd standard student did not have attended 1st and senior KG in the school, in the offline school, right? So जो भी आपका basic है, then if you are attending it very nicely, very clearly, आपको आपको advance भी सीखने मिलेगा and आपका basic भी clear हो जाएगा. Okay, so let's start with standard 2. Everyone has to pay attention. And once again, I'm telling you, if you want to answer orally, please raise your hand or write your name in the chat box. I will let you put on your mic. Okay? But if the answers are yes, no type or small answers, you can write them directly in your chat box. Okay? So shall we start then? So our topic for today is what is long and what is round. Okay, there are many more things around us. Yes, right. हमारे आजू बाजू में हम बहुत सारी चीजें दिन भर सुबह उठने से लेकर रात के सोने तक. We use brush, we use glass, we use plate, spoon, many things. We use pencil. Those who are writing with pen use the pens. Yes. So we uh, like हम बहुत सी चीजों को हम सुबह सुबह से लेकर रात तक यूज करते रहते हैं. ओके, वी यूज देम वंस इन अ वाइल. सो लेट्स लर्न अबाउट देम. Guess its name. Here is one activity for you where there is a question for you. So let's start. Children love Uncle Miku. He plays with them every day. Today, he has kept different things in his bag. The game is guess its name. Guess its names. Okay. So what is the game? Guess its name. यहाँ पे क्या किया गया है, जो भी बच्चे हैं उनके एक अंकल मीकू है जो हर दिन उन लोगों से उनके साथ खेलते हैं. तो अंकल मीकू ने आज क्या किया है, उनके पास एक बैग है, उसमें अलग अलग तरह की चीजें वो लेके आए हैं. एंड बच्चों को क्या करना है, वो चीजों के नाम बताने हैं, गेस करने हैं. So Uncle Miku is saying, guess what I have in my hand? I will tell you what it feels like. Okay. So what he is doing, what he is telling the children that कि मेरे हाथ में कुछ चीज है, मैं फील करके आपको बताऊंगा कि जो मेरे हाथ में चीज है वो राउंड है या फिर फ्लैट है. यस, एवरी वन ऑफ यू, आपको राउंड, फ्लैट, लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट समझ में आता है? यस, टेल मी, do you understood? What do you mean by long? What do you mean by short? What is a flat surface? What is a round surface? Yes? Do you understood? Yes, good. Okay. Let's see what they are playing. We will also take part in that. So Uncle Miku puts his hands in bags. Team A sings a song. There are two teams. You can see over here. Team A is there at my left hand side, and team B is there at my right hand side. Okay. So what the team A is doing, sings a song. Find out with your eyes shut well. Touch it with your hands and tell us how it feels. We guess its name and win the game. सो टीम ए क्या कह रही है कि अंकल आप अपनी बैग में हाथ डाल के जो चीज है उसको फील कीजिए और वो आपके हाथों को उसका टच कैसे लग रहा है आप उसको डिस्क्राइब कीजिए. You can see the uncle's eyes are folded. Yes. So he can only feel, na? He can't see. He can only feel. So what's the game is? Uncle will feel by his hand, and he will describe about the things to that team to the team A and team B, and team A and B have to guess the name of the thing. Okay. So टीम ए इज लाइक कि आप बताओ कि वो चीज कैसे फील हो रही है. Then we will be going to guess the name and we can win the game. So uncle is saying ki pointed at one end, flat at other, but round like a pipe. Guess what it is. Okay, now we will also take part in that game. Okay. Can you see my screen? Whiteboard I'm using. Is it visible to you? Yeah, I'm sharing a screen having whiteboard. Is it visible? Okay then. See. So what the clue is? Pointed at one end, flat at the other, and body is like a pipe. What do you think? What it must be? Yes, Evelyn?
मैम पेंसिल.
Very good. It's a pencil. Let us see, हाँ कि टीम ए ने क्या आंसर बताया है. Yes, team A also says it's pencil. Do you think so? Yes. Evelyn has answered pencil only. Now, you think of a different answer for Uncle Miku's question. Now, what do we have to do? We have to think for another option also. If it is not pencil, what it should be? You can see it again and tell me, Evelyn. अगर ये पेंसिल नहीं है तो ये और क्या हो सकता है. डिफरेंट आंसर इसके लिए क्या है और
मैम
व्हाट इट
रॉकेट.
लुक्स लाइक.
मैम रॉकेट एंड
यस एंड
मैम पेन.
पेन.
and
यस
and
यस
also a pen of a feather pen.
यस ओके. इट्स अ you can tell it like a nib of a pen. Yes, that is also flat at one side and pointed at another side. Yes,
Yes.
very good, Evelyn. Now, now it is the turn of team A to touch and guess. Everybody sings. Now it's a team A, huh, who is going to touch this thing. So they are singing. Tell us how it feels. We guess its name, and win the game. A child from team A puts his hands in the bag. Others in team A have to guess. Can you help them? Now what we have to do? Now it's a turn of team A. Question is like round all around. जो भी चीज है जो एक बच्चे ने टीम ए में से एक बच्चे ने टच किया है, दैट थिंग इज राउंड ऑल अराउंड। सारे साइड से वो जो चीज है वो राउंड राउंड है, हैज नो कॉर्नर्स, उसको उसको एक भी कॉर्नर नहीं है। आई कैन रोल इट इन माई हैंड, द बॉय इज सेइंग दैट द थिंग आई कैन roll in my hand. Guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? What it should be? Round and round, no corner. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it's a straw.
Straw. No, beta. See,
Okay.
round and round, no corner. A circle has no corner, right? And we can roll it. We can roll it in our hand. So, what do you think that? What do you think that that thing should be? A round shaped thing, a circle shaped thing that we can roll in our hand. It do not have any corner. It is round in shape.
Ma'am,
Yes,
watch.
Daksh?
Watch.
No.
Ma'am,
Yes. I'm giving you one clue, huh? You can play
ball,
with
ma'am,
it.
ball. I got it.
Yes. Yes. You got it right. Very good. It's ball. Okay then. Okay. So we can also play the guess game, right? Yes,
Yes,
we can also play the guess game. So what we are going to do after this lecture, uh, when we will be starting our regular classes of maths, na, we will be also do playing the same game. Okay, I'll be sharing my experience with you, that what I am feeling in my hand, and you are going to tell me the same. Okay, we will be making two teams, like they have made A and B, and we will play this. Okay, so whatever I have taught now, have you understood, Evelyn? Yeah.
yes.
Okay, is there anyone from second standard? Anyone from second standard, please? Okay, only Evelyn is there. Everyone has understood. See, this is going to help everyone, third and fourth standard students. आपका भी बेसिक यहाँ पे क्लियर हो रहा है, because you didn't have attended the offline school since 2 years, right? Yes, so it is going to be helpful for you also. One more thing that we are going to see is, so what they have said, that then is the turn of team B to feel and guess, and so the game goes on. Now you play this game in teams. Put different things in a bag. A cloth is tied on one a child's eyes and puts her hand in the bag. She touches it and says what it feels like. Her team has to guess the name. Just now we have discussed this, that we are going to play this game. Okay. Now, how strong a thing is. Here we have given the example of postcard. So let's see. Hold a postcard from one corner. If you keep a book on it, can it hold the book? First of all, everyone tell me, have you seen a postcard? Yes, आपने कभी postcard देखा है?
Ma'am, I also wrote a letter.
On that?
Yeah, in the postcard.
Yes, very good. So you have seen it. What about the others? Have you seen postcard ever? Okay, let it be. Postcard is like the card paper you use for your crafts and all, na? Not the craft paper, but the card paper, which is quite strong compared to the craft paper. That is called as for from that paper only the post offices make the postcards. Okay, so here what they have given, if we have a postcard and we hold the one corner of postcard in our hand, and on the other corner if we place a book, ओके। अगर पोस्ट कार्ड का एक कॉर्नर हमारे हाथ में है और दूसरे कॉर्नर पे हमने एक बुक रखा है, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? कैन इट होल्ड अ बुक? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? कैन द पोस्ट कार्ड होल्ड दैट बुक? टेल मी. For
Ma'am, I
your
didn't get the
information, the
question.
postcard is okay. See, here I am having postcard in my hand. Okay, my hand is over here, and I am holding this side of postcard in my hand, and I am keeping one book on this corner of postcard. Can my postcard hold the book,
No, ma'am.
weight
No,
of book?
ma'am. It cannot hold.
No, no. Very good. It cannot hold because it's not that strong. As other student haven't seen the uh, postcard, I think they are not able to answer. बट आपके इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए, आप जो कार्ड पेपर यूज करते हो आपके जो भी स्कूल के प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह बनाने के लिए, पोस्ट कार्ड उसी तरह का होता है. ओके, सो कार्ड पेपर आपका बुक होल्ड कर सकता है क्या? नो, इट कैनॉट होल्ड. लाइक दैट ओनली पोस्ट कार्ड cannot hold the weight of book. Now what you have to do? If you are having the postcard, you can do this activity with the help of elders, okay? Because it is for this activity you will be requiring tape along with scissor. So you may get hurt while using a scissor. So in the supervision of your elder only you have to do this activity. So what we are doing in this activity? Roll a postcard to make a pipe. Here is your postcard. See, here is your postcard. It is a rectangular shape. What you have to do, you have to put tips over here and stick them. So you will be getting like this shape. Yes, you will be getting a shape like this if you fold the postcard. Evelyn, I'm right? Am I right? Yes. If you use a tape and stick the ends of the postcard together, you will be getting a shape like this. Now tell me, now
Cylinder,
you
ma'am.
have to,
Cylinder.
yes, cylinder. Now you have to put a book on it. Does the postcard hold
Pirate
it?
message, ma'am. Pirate message.
Yes, so what do you think? Can the postcard hold the book now if you are making it cylindrical? Tell me. It is not the flat one now. And we are not keeping the book at the one corner and holding the other corner in our hand. We have made it into a cylindrical shape thing, and now we are putting a book on it. What do you think? Can it hold a book now? Yes, it will. Okay, it will going to hold a book now. But you have to see how many books it can hold. Okay, so if you have a postcard or card paper, cut it like this, then make a cylindrical shape with that and keep a book on that, and let me know in the next lecture that what was your conclusion. Okay, will you? Yes, everyone is going to try this activity at home.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay,
Yes.
now, yes, this is done for second standard. Any doubts, Evelyn? Any doubts you have? You can
No,
ask
ma'am.
me now. Yes, you clearly understood everything?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, third standards, Anvi, Daksh. Okay, only Anvi and Daksh is from third standard. Gurman, what about you?
No, ma'am.
You're from which standard, beta? Yes, Gurman, you're from which standard?
Third.
Okay, okay. So third standard, Anvi, Gurman, and Daksh. Pay attention. And Priyanshi is from fourth. Okay then. So we will be starting now for third standard third. But everyone has to pay attention, and other students who can answer the question and raise their hand. Okay. Now this is also one interesting thing. Where to look from? Before that, tell me anything that you look by side and like एक कोई भी चीज है लाइक आपकी गाड़ी पार्क है बाहर ओके आपके घर के बाहर एक कार वन कार हैज बीन पार्क ओके सो नाउ यू आर स्टैंडिंग एट योर डोर एंड the car is easily visible to you so it will be सो अगर आप आपके दरवाजे पर हो और कार को देख रहे हो एंड वो लुक आपने कैप्चर कर लिया ओके यू हैव कैप्चर्ड दैट लुक एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेरेस yes after that you are going to terrace and from terrace you are observing that car what do you think the two views will be different or same tell me अगर आप दरवाजे पे खड़े होके सामने खड़ी हुई कार देख रहे हो एंड वही कार आप बिल्डिंग के टेरेस के ऊपर से देख रहे हो तो दोनों व्यूज में कार के दोनों व्यूज में डिफरेंस होगा या नहीं व्हाट डू यू थिंक यस और नो
The car will look small from tennis.
नॉट द बिग एंड स्मॉल बेटा yes it will but what about the looks from the terrace only the upper part will be visible right
Yeah,
yes
upper part will
yes
be visible.
yes good so you got my point now so let's start with the lesson where to look from our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car we all drew the car differently next day when we show our pictures to each other we were very excited but Anshul started laughing he was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of car you can see the children are saying that उनको टीचर ने कार ड्रॉ करने बोला था लेकिन दोनों ने धीरज एंड अंशुल ने जब एक दूसरे को ड्राइंग दिखाई सो धीरज की कार देख के अंशुल स्टार्टेड लाफिंग why he started laughing let's see you can see Anshul has drawn this and Dheeraj has drawn this okay Anshul said, it looks like a small box kept in a bigger one. Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. So, when Anshul saw Dheeraj's drawing, he started laughing because it was looking like a small box kept in a big box. Yes? आपको भी ऐसे लग रहा है कि धीरज ने जो ड्राइंग निकाला है उसमें वो ड्राइंग एक छोटा बॉक्स बड़े बॉक्स में रखा हुआ है इस तरह से दिख रहा है बट both of them drew the picture of same car, but the drawings look different. दोनों ने एक ही कार का पिक्चर बनाया है बट दोनों के जो ड्राइंग्स है वो अलग अलग है धीरज said he had looked at the car from terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? What do you think now? अगर धीरज ने टेरेस से कार देखकर ड्रॉ किया है तो उसका ड्राइंग सही है या गलत है Is Dheeraj right or wrong? Tell me.
Right.
Right. Yes, very good. Cause Dheeraj has drawn the car which he has seen from the terrace. So it must be the it must be like उसको सिर्फ upper part ही visible हुआ होगा. So he has drawn that only, right? Now, have you looked Have you looked at things from different sides? Do they look the same or different? Just now, I have asked you the same question. Now you tell me अगर आपके पास अभी आप जहाँ पे बैठे हो वहाँ पे आपके सामने टेबल या चेयर है तो उसे आप जहाँ पे बैठे हो वहां से देखिए एंड उसके बाद खड़े होके देखिए टेल मी आपको कुछ डिफरेंस पता चल रहा है? What do you think? See, let it be. Don't look at the things. Let's see it here only. Yes. Look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? Tell me which picture is from the top, first or second? Yes.
First, ma'am.
You can. I'm asking from top, बेटा. From top. ऊपर से कौन सी चीज दिख रही है? टेबल कौन से तरह से दिखेगा? फर्स्ट वे और सेकंड वे?
Second, ma'am. Second.
Second way. Yes. If you are
Second,
standing,
ma'am.
yes, it will be the second way. And the first one, when you are looking at that table by a side. अगर आप एक साइड से देख रहे हो तो फर्स्ट वे से आपको टेबल दिखेगा. अगर आप ऊपर से देख रहे हो तो सेकंड वे से टेबल दिखेगा.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I show you something?
Yes. What you want to show?
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
if you wait, if you see this, if you see that like this
Yes.
thing, it's a flat. But if you see up, it looks like a circle.
Yes. And when you're looking it uh, from the side, sit and show us.
It looks flat.
Yes, the different way they are looking, right?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. सब लोग देखिए बहुत अच्छे से बताया है एवलिन ने. वेरी गुड एवलिन. वेरी नाइस. Yes, very good. Okay, beta, you can put off your camera
Okay.
now. Yes. So our question was that every time we look at things from different sides, they look different. Our answer is yes. Most of the things do not look the same from different sides. Okay. Now, some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. See, here is very best nice example they have given us, that these are the things when you are looking them by one side. Okay, but that things only when we are looking from the top will look like this. Yes, do you agree with me or do you agree with the pictures? Yes,
Yes.
all of you. Yes, good. Now as we have understood how the things will look from a side, from or from a top. Yes, so here is some questions for us. So let's solve them. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? You can see here a cat is peeping into the classroom, and you have to help that cat to find out where the teacher is. Can you tell me where the teacher is? फिर से एक बार आप लोग पिक्चर देखिए. Tell me where the teacher is. Who is going to tell?
The red student, the red one, the red who's wearing the t-shirt, red one.
Yes, yes, the red one uh, is the teacher. But where she is? Where she is standing? Near her table, right?
Yeah. Also, we could say front of a table.
In front of, we
A
can
table.
say in front of the students, right?
Right.
Yes, in front of students also, in front of
Right.
her table also. Very good. Now, here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. Very nice examples you have now. What you have to do? Here are some pictures they have given us, and we have to find out to see such type of view fr- from where you have to see that thing, like from the top or from the side, from the top or from the side. Okay, so let's start. First is this staircase. Please write the answers in the chat box, huh? Because there are six, no? So you will get jumbled. So please
Side view.
write them in the chat box. Can you use the chat box, beta, for writing the answer?
What, ma'am? I didn't get it. Side view. Ma'am, side view.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm asking that these are some pictures. Okay, so they have asked us that you have to tell them that this view you are getting from side or from the top. Okay, अगर आप सीढ़ियाँ देखते हो तो जो फर्स्ट वाली सीढ़ियाँ है आपको साइड व्यू से मिलेगी या टॉप व्यू से मिलेगी, दैट यू हैव टू टेल. So first is the side view, right? Second staircase,
Front,
what do
ma'am.
you think?
Front. Front. Ma'am, front view. Ma'am,
No beta,
front
you
view.
just no, you just have to tell side or top. आपका फ्रंट है वही आपका साइड व्यू होगा ना. अगर टेबल आप देख रहे हो तो फ्रंट में दिखेगा, उसी को आप साइड व्यू बोलोगे. आपको टॉप व्यू या साइड व्यू में डिफरेंशिएट करना है. यू कैन सी फर्स्ट स्टेयर बड़ी लग रही है और नीचे नीचे छोटे छोटे होते जा रहे हैं. सो व्हाट यू विल से हियर, टेल मी व्हाट इज द व्यू. It is from the top.
Top.
Okay? Yes, it is from the top. This is a table. Now tell me,
Top view.
top view. Very good. This chair,
Side view.
very good. This pencil,
Top view. Top
very
view.
good. And this bus,
Top view. Ma'am, side view. Ma'am,
side,
side view.
side,
Side view.
side view. अगर आप टॉप से देखोगे तो सिर्फ फ्लैट सरफेस दिखेगा ऊपर का. Okay? So very good. You have answered all the questions right. Okay, so okay, I'll be posting this. Everyone, please put your mic off. Everyone has to put the mic off, please. Whenever I'm asking you to put on, then only you have to put on your mic. Okay, then who is here from fourth standard? Fourth standard. Only Priyankshi, right? Is there anyone from fourth standard? Please mention. Priyankshi, you're from fourth
Vijay
standard, right? Please write your name in the chat
Ma'am,
box.
Vijay.
Please mention your name in the chat box. Yes, please. Okay. So let's see something more here. What it is? Do you know what it is? What that girl is making?
Rang
Yes,
Rangoli. Rangoli.
rangoli. Yes. Have you ever made a rangoli?
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So the boy is telling us that my friend Meenakshi makes beautiful flower patterns. Meenakshi is saying, I am Meenakshi. I belong to Tamil Nadu. She's from Tamil Nadu, okay? So we make kolam patterns every morning. In her state, she is making kolam patterns every morning. They are made by using dots, and that kolam patterns they made by using the dots with the help of dots. So we can also make some, right? You can also try and use the dots given below to make patterns. Two patterns have been drawn here. You can also use na. You can make these patterns. These are very simple. Can you try to make some? Make
Okay.
some. Please, please start making. We will put some dots like this. Huh? Make a small pattern only. No need to. But your dots will be very neat and should be very neat and clean. That you are to make the. Okay. Have you reached up to here? Yes. You can use simple patterns. You can make simple patterns. Whatever you like, you can make and show me. Yeah? You can also make a small circle. Okay. You can make a make, but till now I don't have a space. Okay. Have you made it? You can take reference from this and can make your own pattern. You all are doing right. Everyone is doing. I'm waiting. Yes. You all are doing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So please make it fast. Only two, three patterns are enough, huh? Only two, three patterns are enough. You can take help of these.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can I
Yes.
show you?
Okay, wait, huh? Okay, show beta. Yes, very nice. Good. Okay, put up. Good, good. Others. Okay, so this was all about for standard 3. Have you understood everything? Yes, standard 3. Gurman, Anvi, have you understood? Daksh,
Yes.
yes. Okay, then we'll be moving to standard 4 now. Okay, so you have a topic named Building with Bricks. First of all, everyone let me know your schools has been started or you have holidays now. Yes? Mention it in the chat box. Let me know it in the chat box. Now you all are going to school or you are having holidays. Everyone, please mention. Please let me know in the chat box.
Ma'am, I'm having a holiday.
Holiday. Okay. What about the others?
Ma'am, I going to school.
Yes, you are going.
Ma'am,
Okay, so you are.
I am Riddhi.
Yes, Riddhisi.
Have holidays.
Okay. You are from which
Ma'am,
standard,
holidays.
beta? Okay.
Fourth standard.
Okay. Now you are promoted to fourth, na?
Yes.
Okay. And this sorry, I forgot your name. Yes. Priyanshi, your schools have been started and you are promoted to fourth, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So let's start. Your topic name is building with bricks. Brick patterns for Jagriti School. This is a true story of Jagriti School in Murshidabad, West Bengal. Okay. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and walls. Jamal, Kalu, and Piyar were the masons for the brickwork. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they took their other friends to see Old Tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. Okay? See. सो यहाँ पे हमें एक स्टोरी बताई गई है, एक स्कूल का स्टोरी है, जागृति स्कूल, जिसके कंस्ट्रक्शन के वक्त जो भी वॉल्स थे एंड फ्लोर था वो उन लोगों को ब्रिक पैटर्न में बनाना था. Okay, now also you can see everywhere that people love that pattern of brick. Yes, कुछ लोगों के walls वगैरह brick के जैसे दिखते हैं. So, what they did for that, you can see the picture over here. This building has a big floor with about 2,000 beautiful brick patterns. These were made by masons long back, about 300 years ago. Okay? So ये जो बिल्डिंग आपको दिख रही है उसका जो फ्लोर है वो बहुत बड़ा है, जहाँ पे 2000 ब्रिक पैटर्न्स बनाए गए हैं. एंड ये जो बिल्डिंग है वो 300 years पहले बनाई गई है. Okay, so you can see the brick patterns over here. Look how the bricks are arranged in this 5 floor pattern. Yes, ये जो नीचे आपको फ्लोर दिख रहा है वही हमें यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है. This is the first pattern and this is the second pattern. This one is the third, fourth and fifth. Okay, every pattern is different, right? Every pattern is different from one another. Did you saw? Yes, everything was different. Now once again I will let you see that. Wait. Now this one is the first one. Please watch it carefully. You have to tell me कि आपको कौन सा पसंद आया है and क्यों. Okay, you have to tell me that which one you like the most and why. This is the first one. Yes, observed carefully. Yes, this is the second. This is the second one. Now this is the third one. This is fourth one and this is fifth one. Now tell me आपको कौन सा पैटर्न पसंद आया. एवरीवन 1 2 3 4 5 आपने सारे पैटर्न्स देखे, बताइए चैट बॉक्स में, और यू कैन पुट ऑन योर माइक. यस.
I Ma'am, like can you fourth show me pattern. fifth one again?
Okay,
Ma'am,
please
fourth pattern.
okay, please put your answer in the chat box. while putting off on the mic ना अगर एक साथ दो mic on हो रहा है तो it will be somewhat complicated to hear me. So please write your answers in the chat box, okay? Now let me know in the chat box. Okay, fifth one. Priyanshi liked the fifth one. Then Riddhi, I didn't get your name once again. Fourth one, okay. Yes. Evelyn, fifth one. Riddhishree. Okay, then. Okay. Why is this so? Priyanshi, why did you like the fifth one? I also personally like the fifth one. Yes, because that pattern looks somewhat familiar, right? Yes. Now, have you seen such patterns anywhere? आपने इस तरह के patterns कहीं देखे हैं?
I saw such
Have you
patterns.
seen
No, ma'am.
in? Yes,
I
beta, where?
saw such patterns on the floor, ma'am.
Yes, but where I'm asking?
On the floor, ma'am.
On the floor of what? A temple, a mosque, a school. Can you name any? Okay, fine. Now, the masons came back excited. Jamal said, "Oh, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. We had forgotten these. Let us make some nice design on the floor of the school." Each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such a beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make new patterns themselves. So, what they did, every mason came with an idea of a different pattern and they made different patterns on the floor. And while learning over there, children also used to make new pattern themselves. You can see the other patterns also. Okay, here are the other patterns. Okay, one by one you can observe. Pattern A, then pattern B, and pattern C. This is pattern D. This is pattern E and pattern F. Now, this is pattern G, pattern H, and pattern I. This is pattern J and K. Now, let me ask you a question. Which pattern is made in a circle? You can write the pattern initial in the chat box. Please use your chat box for answering this question. Which pattern is made in a circle? यहाँ पे ऐसा कौन सा पैटर्न है जो सर्कल में बनाया गया है? You can write the initial in the chat box. No. Once again, see it carefully. Circle I am asking. A clear circle is visible.
Ma'am J.
J is the right one.
Ma'am G.
J. Okay, J. Okay. J is the right answer. Huh? Now, okay, here they have asked you to draw a brick. Can you draw a brick? Yes, do you know how to draw a brick?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so will you try? I'm also going to try with you. Then in the next lecture, we will be solving some questions on that brick. Okay, so first of all, draw this. Okay, this is how it should look like. Yes, draw your brick and show me. Yes, please draw the brick and show me. We also have some questions, questions on this. That how many faces it has, how many faces are square, how many are rectangular, how many what is the smallest face, how it look like. We have so many questions on that, but we don't have that much time. So have you drawn fourth standard? Priyankshi,
Yes.
Riddhishri, have
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Okay. So whatever we have learned till now, have you understood everything? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, second standard, we
Yes,
have
teacher.
done the long, short objects, and the third standard, fourth standard. Every one of you have understood whatever we have learned. Any doubts over
Yes.
here? You can ask me now. Is there any doubt anyone has? किसी को कोई डाउट है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. And if no doubts are there, we are going to stop over here for today. You can leave now. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am,
Bye. Yes,
ma'am, don't leave. Wait. I
yes,
want
yes,
to show
yes.
you something.
Okay.
I drawn a bridge.
Yes. Bridge. Yesterday I have told you. Very good. Very good bit. Yes. You can put off
Kind
now.
of, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye. Yes, everyone. You can leave now. Bye. Yes, Riddhishri. If you don't have any doubt, you can leave, beta.